Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my hair and trying a new wig from ISEE Hair. So if you want to see how it turns out, just keep on watching. Lately, I've been wearing the same curly wig, this one you see on my head, and you've seen in many videos of mine. So I've been wearing that wig a lot lately, and I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm getting tired of her. She cute, you know, just throw her on to, you know, if I gotta go somewhere, do something real quick. She's cute, but I wanna switch it up. So I got the 9x6 Tpart Yaki Straight Layered Bob. Once again, it's from ISEE Hair. So I got it in 14 inches with 250% density. Because I wanted it in 250%, it took 2 weeks for them to construct. I ordered the wig September 23rd and I got it October 13th. This is the box it comes in. So as soon as you open the box, this is what it looks like. Nothing crazy. And then you have the wig. You also get this. Oh, so they give you a adjustable band. You get 3 combs. You get like a little duster bag, which I'm assuming will be for your wig. And you get some goodies. You get a bonnet, lashes, wig caps, the edge brush, a wig band, and then you get 2 cute little clips. Now the star of the show, the wig. The wig. Okay, so like I said, this is 250% density and a 14 inch. So once again, I'm new to wigs, and obviously this was my first wig, curly. I wanted to mimic my own hair. So when it comes to density differences and whatnot, I'm not an expert on that, but she feels thick throughout. Is this what a 250% density is supposed to feel like? I'm not sure, but I think she's great. And honestly, I'm happy I got the 250%. Like, off of first look and first feel, I'm actually happy I got the 250% density instead of the, I believe 180 is the other option. It also has like the little grip. Yeah, like a grip. So you also have the 1 clip right here by the ear, your 2nd clip, and then you have your 3rd clip. Another reason I stuck with ISEE Hair, besides already having bought a wig from them and really liking it, they put a freaking drawstring in the back. Girl, let me tell you something. When I bought this wig, don't get me wrong, I love her, but when I tell you this cap is big as hell on my head, oh, that's why I was like, oh, I definitely want this wig. I definitely want it because I need a wig, drawstring. And this is the lace. I completely forgot about that. The most important thing. I'm just gonna treat this how I treated this wig. I'm gonna take my Demessa? Girl, my bad, girl. Danessa! I'm gonna take my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint, which I have on right now. Shout out to Danessa. Danessa! Danessa! All right, are y'all ready? I'm so scared. So let me stop. I'm gonna throw her over there. Do I want her tightened? I'm already liking her. I'm already liking her. Hold on. Look how, first of all, look how she's blending in and I didn't even do anything yet. Hey. The difference between this wig and my curly wig, my curly wig had like this much lace. And I was walking around, mind you, it was my first wig, I didn't know. Walking around with this much lace, and slowly I've been cutting her down to where she's like right up on the line. But with this one, I don't think I need that. The spray I use to like glue down my wig is the Got To Be Flex Insta Hold. Flex Hold spray, fast drying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some. I am trying my best to be as careful as possible to not get it on the hair. And I think I'm just gonna go piece by piece. So this might take me a minute. Please hold. I never handled a hot comb before. I'm a black girl. You, it's in your blood. It's in your blood. I know what to do. I know what to do. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to not burn myself and finish hot combing this. Oh, so this is how she looks. When I tell you, I am so excited for this hair. Like, baby, fall on here. But I really sorry. I love this wig. I love this wig. Let me keep her down because you can, like, if the wind blows, you're gonna see a little bit. But I really love this hair. She looks like mine. I will say, since like brushing her and trying to like hot comb her down and whatnot, I was shedding a little bit. And like the hair was breaking off. Cause I don't know if you can see it. You see all those flyaways that came out of nowhere? Yikes. But it's okay. I just need to find some type of wax, or you know, the little wax sticks that the girls be using for their hair. That's what I need. But as I was doing my hair, I did look down and saw a few strands. It wasn't anything like jarring or anything, but yeah, I saw a few strands. But then I also saw a lot of pieces like around this size, so it was breaking off. But baby girl is still holding up. It wasn't anything crazy. Like, when I shed more during my wash day than what I just saw on my legs. So let me turn around. Baby, I don't know what she gonna look like. Y'all gonna get a first-hand look, and I'm gonna see it when I edit. But is she okay? What she look like? Is it cute? Huh? Is it cute? Oh, and this is 14 inches. That's how she looks. I try my best with flat ironing. I don't know, did I do a good job? I don't know. Some parts were over curled, some are under curled, I think. But I think I got, for the most part, she looks good. And she reminds me of my hair, which I love. And then, I'm sorry, oh, I didn't even show you the lace. Look at her. Oh, now you can see her. From here, she's fine. Oh, well, yeah, this isn't glued down, so that's why you can actually see her compared to a lot of the other pieces of my hair. But, baby, she looks good. I am excited for fall. I'm gonna fall in love with this hair. This is my new hair for the fall. What do you think? Honestly, the way I'm looking in this camera and here, you would think it's my hair. I feel bonita. And I know I look bonita. ISEE hair, 2 for 2. I got my curly wig, now I got me a straight wig. If you guys have any recommendations on like wax or whatever to fix the flyaways, please leave that below because I need help. If you guys enjoy this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Like, I just be doing stuff on here from time to time. Like, be my friend. Also, like this video. Comment below. Oh, what other like wig brands do y'all like? Because I like ISEE hair, but I'm open to trying other wig brands as well. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.